The first step in approaching this problem is understanding what it means when it says write the expression below as a product of two factors. So what that means is by the time we're done, we should have something times something, and it should be equivalent to this expression we're starting with, 6m plus 8n plus 4. So the way that we can approach this is thinking about, is there something in each of these terms that's the same? Do we have what is in essence a greatest common factor? And when I look at 6m plus 8n plus 4, none of them have the same variables, so I won't even worry about that. I'll just think about 6, 8, and 4. The greatest common factor of those three terms is 2. So what I will do is divide each of these terms by 2, and when I have the result of that division, it will go into my parentheses. So 6m divided by 2 is 3m plus 8n divided by 2 is 4n plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. So these are my two factors. Here's my first one, 2. The parentheses there with the 2 outside says that I'm doing multiplication, so these are factors. So 2 is one factor, and the other factor is the whole expression, 3m plus 4n plus 2. It's not enough to just write the stuff in parentheses and forget the 2, because that's not equivalent to this expression here. In fact, let's check. I'm going to use a distributive property, and I'm going to use that as a way to check whether I actually created an equivalent expression. So 2 times 3m is 6m, plus 2 times 4n is 8n, plus 2 times 2 is 4. So when I use the distributive property, I end up with the expression I started with, and that tells me that yes, these are the two factors that I multiply together to get the original expression. So my answer is 2 times the quantity in parentheses, 3m plus 4n plus 2.